Hi, welcome back to LeetCode. Today I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem 1405, longest happy string. So problem statement is a string S is called happy if it satisfies the following condition. What is the condition? S only contains the letters A, B and C, and S does not contain any of AAA, triple B or triple C as a substring. So S contains at most A occurrence of the letter A, and contain at most B occurrences of the letter B, and contain at most C number of times letter C. Okay, so we'll given three integer A, B and C. So given three integer A, B and C, return the longest possible happy string. If there are multiple longest happy string, return any one of them. If there is no such string, return an empty string. Okay, so a substring is a contiguous sequence of character within a string. Correct. So first condition is contain only A, B, C. Okay, and next condition here actually no, this type of substring is not possible, can't present triple A, triple B, triple C. Okay, next is number of A in the whole string will present A times. Similarly for B will present B times and C will present C times. So they will, in the input they will actually provide that A, here actually A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 7. So number of A can be present maximum 1 times. Similarly for B will present 1 times and C will present 7 times. So you have to find out what is the maximum length of the or maximum string, longest string, that actually happy string. Correct. So happy string, first of all you have to think about only A, B and C, and then you think there is no A, B, 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 C, C, C. Okay, so first of all what actually string actually we can generate. So first of all we can generate one A. After if we placed A, so number of A will present 0 because I have already placed 1, and C will present 7. So this is the current state. So I have already placed A. Next I supposed to place B. So then now B will be 0. Then I can place C. Now is there any can we add, we can't add A and B here because it's already reached 0. So number of C I have already placed 1, so it will be currently 6, already 6. Now can I add any C here? Yes. Is it violating any condition? First condition is that only contain A, B, C, it's okay. Then the length of A and second condition is no A, triple A, triple B, triple C, triple C. So only A, only B, double C. Okay, so it's okay, we are not creating triple C, so it's okay. Now our number of C is present is 5. So I can't add A because it is A and B because it already reached 0. Now can I add again a C? Okay, suppose I added this. So after this, is it violating any condition? Yes. A, B, C, first condition is okay, that only contain A, B, C, but there is a substring, that this substring that actually creating triple C. Correct. So that's why we can't create this. So maximum length will be here A, B, C, C. Okay. So any other way to generate any other string that actually longer than this? Okay, think about this. So if I first try to place C, okay, then the A will be 1, B will be 1, C will be now 6. Okay, then again place C here. Okay, so number of C will be currently 5. Can I place C again? No, because if we place C here, so it will violate this triple C condition. So I will actually place any other string. Suppose I have placed A here, so number of A will be currently 0 because I have already placed this. Now can I place C again here? Yes, I can place C here again. Number of C will be 4 now. Can I again add C here? Yes, because if I add this, it's maximum generating double C, not triple C. So number of this C will be 3. Remaining number of, I can actually remaining 3 C can I actually add. So I can add C again? No, because if we add C here, it will generate actually triple C. So I will try to place any other character. Is there any other character present? A or B? Yes. A is not present because I have already consumed all the number of times. So I can press B here. Okay, number of B will be now 0. Now can I add C here? Yes, I can add C here. Again, in number of 2, can I add again C? Yes. So can I again add C? No, because if I add C, then we will create triple C. So can I place any other character? No, because A and B both are 0. So we can't place any other character. Correct? So I can't place C here again. So this will be our longest string, happy string. This is your happy string. So can you check this is your answer or not? Triple C A, triple C B, then double C A, double C B, then double C, double C A, double C B, then double C. One possible, another answer possible, double C B, then double C A, then double C. This is also one possible answer. We can return also this also. Okay, we have to return any one of this. This is also length is same. This is also length is same. We can return any one of the any one of this. It is clear how it is working. If the problem statement and the example how it's working. If it is clear for you, please like the video. And now I am going to discuss the intuition. How can actually solve this? So one thing actually you can observe that whenever placing any other randomly we are placing any character, suppose A B C here, then our string we are getting actually smaller. A B C C, correct? That is not the longest. But if whenever placing the character that is present maximum times after placing, because you can see here actually C is present 7 times initially, I can place C maximum 7 times. So and any other A is present maximum 1 times, B is present maximum 1 times, and C can be present 7 times. Now I'm trying to place C as much as possible because this is actually maximum time present, and if we place that at first, then actually it's generating the maximum length. Correct? So it is clear that one thing actually clear that I have to place maximum character as much as possible. Correct? As much as possible. Then what is the maximum number of times actually place? Maximum 2 times consecutively. 2 times. Then whenever we actually place 2 times, then actually we have to place any other character A or B or that remaining 2 characters, any one of these. Correct? It is like here actually. Suppose first of all I have placed double C, then I have placed another character A or B, then I placed double C, then I placed another character A or B, any one of this. Correct? Then again I placed this. So in this actually what I have to consume, I have to try to place maximum number of characters that can be present. Try to place that. Then actually whenever consume two character consecutively, then place another character that used to place to handle this condition that age doesn't contain any triple A, triple B or triple C. So that's why whenever I placed any consecutive to same character, that time I will add B or C. Similarly for whenever I placed any B, then I will try to place A or C, any one of this. Similarly for C, I will try to place A or B, any one of this. Correct? So it will create AAB or AAC. Similarly for this will add BBA or BBC. Similarly for this CCA or CCB. So it's just discarding that there is no substring triple A, triple B or triple C. Correct? So that's why whenever placing any character, I have to check the last 2 character. I have already placed. Suppose last 1 and last 2, and current character is suppose A. So I'll check if our current character is same with last one and last two. Current character is equal to last one, and current character is equal to last two. That time we have to place B or C, because current character is A. So I have already placed last two characters present is A. So we have to surely I have to place A, B or C. If it is not present B or C, then I can't place any other character. So I will return from here actually. Correct. So just go to the actually code. So I have to use maximum. I have already shared intuition that why actually I have to. I tried to place C as first, because it is present maximum times. So if I place that as much as possible, this will give us the maximum length. So that's why I've taken a priority queue. That is will give the maximum heap. It actually return the what is the character present maximum times, or I can place maximum times. So I have taken a pair. First is the count that can be present for character A or B or C. So I'll check if A is not equal to 0. So it can be present non-zero. So in the priority I will add that many times, and the character also, that which character present maximum which times. Similarly for B and similarly for C. Okay, so suppose our input is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 7. So in the priority queue I have added 1 comma A, 1 comma B, then 7 comma C. Okay, so this actually makes priority queue, so maximum heap by default, so it will at the top. So now I have to think about the last two character whatever I added. So I have taken 2 pointer, previous one and previous two. Initially both are actually has, or any you can take any other character that is not ABC. Except ABC you can initialize this previous one and previous two with any character. Now our result string is empty initially. Okay, so still our priority is not empty, so I can actually add character. So what will first it will return 7 comma C. Okay, and I will pop that. Now I'll check if the last two character current character is C, and the previous one and the previous two last two character, if it is both are same, no. C is equal to has, and C is equal to has. So both are not same. So this is not true. So I'll come to this else block. Else block means what? I can actually add this. I am not creating any triple A, triple B, triple C. That's why I will come to this else block. I will add the current character. So previous one will now point to previous two. Okay, so previous one now point to has again, and previous two point to will current character C. Current character C. Correct, because I am going to insert this, and our result will now content C. Okay, and I will check if it is after placing this C, still I can place any C. So I will first decrease the count. If it's still greater than 0, that means I can add C still. So I will insert this count into the priority queue against C. So I will insert this 6 comma C. Correct. Now this is state after inserting this C. So previous one now pointing to has, previous two pointing to C. Okay, and our priority queue contain 1 comma A, 1 comma B, and 6 comma C. Now again I will check our priority is not empty, so our top will return 6 comma C. So our current character and the previous last two character is same, no. So I'll come to this else block again. So previous one now point to again C, and previous two again point to C. Both are pointing to C, and result will concat to CC. Okay, here actually I am concatenating this CC, and 6 minus 1 it will 5. 5 is greater than 0, so I can still add C. Still I can add. So in the priority queue I will actually insert 5 comma C. Correct, 5 comma C. Now again I will actually come to this while loop. Priority is not empty, so in the priority queue top I will have 5 comma C. So 5 comma C, 5 comma C. So CH and previous one, previous last record is same, so I can't add C here. So what I will do, I will check. I will come to the C block. because I am, if I add this, so it will create CCC, so it is not, it will also violate the condition. So what I'll do, I'll check if is there any character is present or not, any other character. So A comma B, any one of these actually can be present. So if our priority is empty that time, so I can't add any character because this actually only character present. So if I can't place any other character except this C, so I can place C again. So that's why I return from here whatever the string actually I have till now. And if it is any character present, like here actually 1 comma A, 1 comma B, I will like again pop this. There, what is the value? Suppose 1 comma A, I have popped this. So what I'll do, I'll now previous character will now present to C and previous to current point to A, because I have actually popped 1 over A, correct? So now CCA, it will be actually added. CCA, here actually CCA, I have actually added this. This is our string now currently, result answer string. And what is the last two character present? C and the A, correct? Because the last character I have added A, and that before that actually character was C. Now add this into the priority queue again, this 5 comma C, and again I will check after inserting this, can I add again A? No, because it can be present maximum 1 times. So stack which look priority queue which will look like now 1 comma B, it will look like 1 comma B, contain only 1 comma B and 5 comma C, correct? Again I will go to the actually while loop, so again it will pop 5 comma C. In this actually it will actually work. So ultimately it will add CC, then it will again check, okay, last two character is same. If I add this current character C again, so it will actually violate the condition. So I will insert any other character. Okay, I have any other character present, yes, priority still content B, so I'll actually place this. And now again I will actually pop place CC, then still actually I have one C is equal to 1. But can I place this C? No, because there is no A comma B, any other character is not present except C, because our priority case will be empty. So I can't plus this C, so this will be our answer. And at the end I will return this, correct? It is clear. So it's clear. If you like the explanation, if it is clear for you, please like the video. If you any suggestion, any doubt, you can also comment on also that. I will definitely reply. If you not yet subscribe, please subscribe. So what is the time velocity of this? Time complexity. Time velocity is priority queue. I have taken one priority queue. So it contains maximum what? Maximum 3 elements. Maximum 3 elements. Correct? And how many times maximum it can actually, this while loop can run? Maximum this loop can run big of number of A plus B plus C, and this is the total number, and log 3. Why log 3? Because I have done 2 operations, right? Pop and push. So for pop and push in the priority queue, it takes actually log of n. Here actually n is 3 because 3 elements is present in the priority queue for A, for B and for C. So it is actually log 3. And how many times actually I can actually call this pop and push? I can call maximum A plus B plus C, because for each position actually I am actually, like, it can be present, right? Like A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 2. In this way I can place all these 6 character total. First A, then B, and then C, A, B, C again. You can check this condition is true. So I am calling this function, calling this while, I will run this while loop 6 times. So that's why it can go maximum A plus B plus C. Correct? Any space complexity? Yes, I have taken a priority queue. So priority queue size can go to O of 3 because 3 elements are present. Correct? So this is a constant time big of 1 because priority queue contains only 3 elements. It is constant. Correct? Is clear? Okay, thank you. Please like the video and follow the channel to get the solution or related to LeetCode. Okay.